Hey hackers, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how to set up full disk encryption on SecBSD. Before we begin, quick thanks to our sponsors, Lalo and OpenBSD Amsterdam. Your support keeps this project alive. Once the system boots from USB, you'll see the SecBSD welcome screen with 4 options: Install, Upgrade, Auto-install, and Shell. Select Shell. At this point, we'll prepare the disk manually before running the installer. In this video, I'll be using a WD1 as the target disk. On your system, this may be different. Make sure you replace WD1 with the correct disk for your hardware. First, move into the device directory and create the device nodes. Now, before running the next command, important disclaimer. The following step will irreversibly wipe the entire disk. Every bit of data on that drive will be destroyed. This is done on purpose. By overwriting the disk with random data, we eliminate any existing patterns or remnants, which is critical for strong disk encryption. Only continue if you are absolutely sure you're targeting the correct disk. Once the process completes, the disk is fully wiped and ready. Now we initialize the disk and create the disk label. When the label editor appears, press A to add a new partition. For the offset, keep the default value of 64 and press Enter. For the size, enter an asterisk. This tells the system to use all remaining space on the disk. For the file system type, change it to RAID. Then press W to write the changes and Q to quit. Next, we create the encrypted volume. When prompted for a passphrase, use a strong password, at least 24 characters, mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. You'll be asked to retype the passphrase to confirm it. Once confirmed, you should see a message indicating that the encrypted volume has been attached as SD0. This encrypted device is where SecBSD will actually be installed. Now we create the device nodes for the new encrypted disk and clear the first block. After that, type exit. This will return you to the installer. The installer asks for your keyboard layout. Next, set the system host name. Use whatever makes sense for you. I'll use secbsd.org. Now, networking. Select the default interface, usually EM0. Set the root password. Type a strong password and confirm it. Now create a regular user. Enter a lowercase username. I'll use user. Accept the default full name and set a strong password. From here on, proceed with the installation as common, selecting the encrypted disk when prompted. And that's it. Use the default option to install to the whole disk. Now install the sets. When asked for the location, choose disk, since the USB already contains them. All installation sets are selected by default. Press Enter to continue. Once installation completes, accept the default options and select your time zone. I'll keep UTC for this example. When prompted, reboot the system. Before rebooting, remove the USB install media. After the reboot, you'll be prompted to enter the disk encryption passphrase. Once you do that, the system will start booting normally. Just keep in mind, this is not your user password. It's the encryption key you set up earlier. On first boot, you'll see system initialization messages as services start and keys are generated. After boot completes, log in using the username and password you created. And that's it. Welcome to the Paranoid Club. Huge shout out to Banshee, Heartbleed, X0 Dark, Out of Creativity, and BSD Bandit. Special thanks to Chaos Computer Club, Electronic Disturbance Theater, and Exploit Team. Let's hack the planet.